The all-new Darkleague DP503 mid-tower E-ATX gaming case presents a different visual effect through its massive mesh front panel design with 3x120mm ARGB fans. With the large air intake in the front, 360mm radiator mount on the top, individual ventilation at the rear, on the top, and PSU chamber, the DP503 gaming case is ready to provide high performance and excellent heat dissipation. High airflow mesh front panel, massive mesh front panel with slanted bar design. Supports up to 9 fans simultaneously, 3x120mm ARGB fans in front included. Detailed texture, 4mm non-drilled tempered glass side panel 1x removable GPU bracket, able to be adjusted up, down, left or right. Build your PC within easy reach. 8x rubber grommets 3x Antec logo cable ties included. Easy installation. Back-mounted PSU installation, tool-free 3.5 drive tray, 8x screw bolts are included for the 2.5 SSD installation. Top reviews from the United States. Worth the price. This case is reasonably priced, the fans it comes with are as good. The only trick is to not install the bottom fans, for the PSU cooling, until the MB is completely wired. On a full-size ATX MB, the bottom connections will be covered by the fans. Not really a negative, just a hint for installation. The only other thing I would have liked to see is rubber grommets in the spaces where you will bring wires cables to the board from the backside of the case.